Ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be working on a Lexus RX330. The car came in for repairs. They are trying to, work on the engine, and in the process of working, the key got broken. This is the key, this is the blade, and this is the transponder. So they asked me to make another key for them, and I suggested let me use a flip key, customize a flip key for them. I've actually cut the flip key. All I simply needed to do was to put the transponder inside, but I will need to program the remote. So as you can see, we have the ignition switch. Here we can put it on and off from here. We can see the security light blinking to say that there's no transponder in here. So I put it on. You can see the light is still blinking. The security light is still blinking. So what I intend doing, I'll take this off. I would have put the chip in here to do the programming, but I want it to be easy for you to see me press the two buttons to lock and unlock. So what I will do, I will simply just put the chip here. I will just put it stuck in here so that it will be easy for it to be recognized. Put this blade here. You can see. So you can see that the security light is no longer blinking. It shows that you recognize the transponder. Then put the ignition on. You can see the ignition is on now. So we'll start the programming process. Let me put on my tool. To tell you that this is not programmed, see, no response. Show you that it's not programmed. You can see the light blinking, so it's not programmed. So we go to email, accept Asia, Lexus, manual selection. The battery voltage is just 9, so we are going to RX330, that key, confirm. We'll go to control unit, remote learning. So it's communicating. The key is already inserted. You can see the blade key there. Turn on the ignition. Make sure the door is open. You can see the door is open. The ignition is on. So I should press the lock and unlock button. That's program. Then it succeed. So this remote has been programmed, but we cannot test it presently because the key is in the ignition. So take out the transponder, take out the key, shut down the ignition. I will close the door. Hear the beep. So the remote has been programmed successfully. So now we have to put the transponder inside. So I have to find a way to put the transponder in here. Let me find a way to keep this thing in here, then we'll come back. So sorry, I don't have super glue. I've just glued this thing in here, but just used a masking tape to hold it in place. Sorry if it's a poor job, but that's what I have for now. So you still see security light blinking. Now put the key in. But anyway, you can see that it has gone off. You can see the light is blinking. Security light is blinking. But immediately I slot the key in, stop blinking, which means you can start the car. So I presently could not start the car. The ignition, I've turned the ignition on. The ignition is on presently. See that the security light still remains on. Sorry, I could not start the car because the engine is undergoing rebuild. You can clearly see the engine is not here, it's undergoing rebuild. So, but I have to do my part so that they will continue with their work. This is Xhorse RX330. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.